Interactive art installations, harbour views and a wedding. I'm back with Jack as we set off on the Hong Kong Island Coastal Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to a brand new series of Drone and Phone. We're here on the Hong Kong Eye and we're about to set off on the Hong Kong Island Coastal Trail. What are we going to be doing today, Jack?
The trail is 65 kilometers. We're going to do a first section about 10 kilometers around the waterfront. Very beautiful.
We are going off down in that direction behind me, about 10k. Let's get going. The Hong Kong Coastal Trail is designed to bring people closer to the waterfront to experience a wide variety of city, coastal and countryside views. Spanning 65 kilometres, the trail joins together connected promenades and trails that circle Hong Kong Island. The trail is split into 8 distinct stages, which we've divided into 5 episodes, starting at the Golden Bauhinia Square, just outside the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre. Although the area offers a multitude of excellent hotels, DJ has decided to go for the cheapest he could find.
It's a new house.
This is where I'm staying for the day. We start with an easy stroll along the promenade, taking time to appreciate some art installations in Tamar Park. There's also much to see and do along this section, making it a good idea to allow extra time to explore or just sit and watch. You may even catch a wedding. This section is also great for kids, with lots of playgrounds and activities to distract them from the walking. Once you get to Kennedy Town, the promenade starts to turn into paths and roads. Well, it's worth bearing in mind that there are parts of this trail that are absolutely beautiful, really nice to walk along, and there are other parts like this that make you feel you're in a bit of a industrial heartland. You have to take the good with the bad, I suppose. We picked a cool, clear day for our hike, and Jack is clearly enjoying being off the trail running circuit and back walking with Drone and Phone. So what do you think of it so far?
It's very easy, but so pleasant. With the sea breeze, super view, lots of activities around. Fantastic.
Where are we going to now?
Now we go a little bit further. We'll see a boundary stone of old Victoria City.
The trail is packed with history, sometimes right in front of you and easy to spot, and sometimes hidden away. So what's this, Jack?
So out of nowhere in this little corner, this shabby corner, city boundary, 1903. This is the far end of the old Victoria City. Only 7 of this left. Used to be like 16. I think 7. I need to double check.
We checked and could only find 6 left, this one marking the far west of the city boundary. Soon after the boundary marker, the trail takes a new turn up some steps and onto Victoria Road. So the one good thing about this trail that Jack promised was it was going to be flat most of the way, particularly today. But look at this. A big hill to climb, as we have no entry down there. So at this point we leave the coast. You can see that way down below us down there, and we join the road. So we're going to end up back down at the water at the end of today's hike, but we've already climbed, I would say, about 50 meters up. This section is on the pavement along Victoria Road with a chance of 2 diversions. The first down to the much photographed Sai Wan Swimming Shed. This is simply a set of steps down to the coast and then back up again, but worth the effort for that much liked Instagram shot. A little further along the road, follow the path that takes you to Jubilee Battery, just below the Rose UN campus of the University of Chicago, and then down to Sunset Pavilion. A perfect place to end the hike at sunset. Well, that's it for this episode. A nice, easy start. How was it for you, Jack?
It was really, really nice. All along the coast, beautiful waterfront, Victoria Harbour. Really enjoyed that.
Just about 7k, so a great start to the coastal trail. Now, if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other episodes on our website at droneandphone.com. and also nicely catalogued on our YouTube channel where you can subscribe. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
This is
Driving
Driving
Phone.
Phone.
Bye-bye! Well, we said we meet here at 2 o'clock and it's 2:05. DJ is late. Maybe that's the helicopter he's taking.
Jack, just off the helicopter there.
Jump off, yeah?
It was me indeed. Okay, so let's get going, huh?